Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. Uh, in the last session, I have showed you how we can install Jenkins. Followed by that, we were struggling to open Jenkins. So in this video, I'm going to show you the security changes which I made and which actually made it uh, work. So let me quickly explain you. So here, if you can see AWS instance, this is in the running state, and here, if you can see the security settings, which I changed it, is let me quickly go to the options. Okay, let me go to this group. Okay, so here, if you can see, when you go to inbound, here, this is by default, like this is SSH, which will be port 22. And here we have to select IP address IPv4, which actually shows that anyone can access it. At the same time, we have to add custom TCP followed by port number 8080, which is the Jenkins port number. And here we can select IPv4, which is this, and then click on Save Rules. So right now I have not changed any information here, so that is the reason it is not allowing me to submit since I have not made any changes. So click on Cancel, and if you go to Outbound Rules, it should be this all traffic custom and then IPv4 basically, right? Then click on Save. Again, it is not allowing me to change because I have not changed anything. So click on cancel, go back to EC2 instance. So here, okay, let me go to details. So this is the port number where, okay, this is not the port number, this is basically the IP address, IPv4, public IPv4, where our, so go back and then 8080, then hit enter. So here, if you can see, this is the Jenkins. So to the password we have pasted it last time, so this is the password. Hit enter, click on continue. Okay, one moment, maybe this is the password. Okay, great. So in here, followed by this, it is asking me to install any plugins. So let's not select it now. Let's install it whatever it is been suggesting to. So let's click on install suggested plugins. It takes a bit of time to install it, and then it will be ready. Uh, So let's wait for it. I'll show you the interface of Jenkins. As you can see here, it is installing all the resources which have been used in Jenkins. If you can see GitHub branch source, so branching what we usually do in GitHub to make the things automated, right? It is also doing the pipeline installation, how we create automated CI/CD pipelines. So in the upcoming session, I'll also share about the commands, how we can create the branches in Jenkins, how we can make things automated. So let's quickly wait for this to be installed. Usually it takes a bit of time to install because since it has to install a lot of plugins which are related to the automation CI/CD and related to the GitHub branches. So if you can see here, branch API pipeline multi-branch stage Git client looks good so far. Java Web Token, GitHub API, GitHub. Also, there is an email extension if you remember. Like usually once this is done, it automatically triggers an email to the work groups which have been looped in. Looks good. So here we can actually create any username or password, right? Full name, email address. Let's skip and continue as admin. Okay, this is the Jenkins URL. Okay, start using Jenkins. Great. So this is how you set up Jenkins, and here you manage Jenkins pipeline. We can build any project. We can set up things in order to go in an automated way. So in the upcoming videos, I'll show you more about how we can use Jenkins in our projects. So for now, thank you so much for watching. And this is how we set up the security groups in order to make Jenkins accessible through this port number 8080. Thank you so much for watching again. Bye bye.